Why on earth is lawyer language so complicated? Hi, I'm Kris Klotz, and join me today as I try to answer this question that has been an age-old question that most non-lawyers ask when they meet with us for the first or second time. Why is lawyer language so complicated? What does sua sponte mean? What does res ipsaloquitur mean? What does a nolle pros? What does nolle prosequi or voir dire mean? All of these words that really mean nothing to the average person. You're going to hear a lawyer throwing those around a lot. You'll hear it in the courtroom. You'll see it in the paperwork that the lawyer's going to draft for you. Most all of these very ancient words relate back to a Latin phrase. And so a lot of times they have very simple meanings, but because they have been around so long in the law, they are encapsulated in just a few words. Let me give you an example. Sua sponte. Sua sponte is something you'll hear in court, and that just means the judge has decided on his own to do something. So if you see in a court order that the judge sua sponte decided to prohibit some evidence from coming in, all that means is shorthand for the judge has decided on his own, without anybody asking him, to keep some evidence from coming in. So it's really kind of shorthand. Like the military has a lot of, oh gosh, help me out. What's the word in the military?
Acronyms.
Acronyms. The military has a lot of acronyms. That's my law partner. Thank you, Eric. Acronyms like what's a ADA or a SVM? Well, kind of like the military has acronyms, we have arcane legal language, and it's been around forever. So it's mostly from Latin words that actually do have some meaning once you know what they mean. What is a nolle prosequi? A nolle prosequi is just another way of saying that a criminal case has been dismissed. It's a shorthand way to say, a longer sentence, and it actually still has some meaning for us. So we'll use those words every once in a while, but here's what I really want to talk to you about. When you meet with an attorney, if they're using words like that, you need to say, hey, Klotz or Stevenson or whoever it is, don't use that language, tell me what it means. Most lawyers who are really in tune with you as a client are not going to use that kind of language around you. They're going to use what the common meaning is, so it's not intimidating or confusing. And a lot of times, quite honestly, lawyers just like to talk like that because it makes them sound smart. But it doesn't mean they're smarter than anybody else. It just means they know the acronyms. So don't be intimidated by legal language. Ask your lawyer what it means and tell him to stop speaking gibberish, because most of it has a very, very simple meaning. It's just shorthand for some other longer concept. I am happy to sit down with you anytime and answer questions that you have about arcane or not very well-known legal language. There, I just went and used arcane. Use legal language that's not very well-known or very common. I'm happy to talk to you about it. We'd be happy to talk to you about your case. My name's Kris Klotz. I'm a personal injury lawyer with Stevenson Klotz here in Pensacola, Florida. Our number is 444-0000, and our website has lots of great information on it. Go check us out. Is www.stevensonklotz.com. I'm Kris Klotz. Thanks for watching today. I hope you've learned a little bit. Thanks for trusting us with your case.